Are you looking for the Xiaomi Redmi A4 ISP Pinout? This guide will help mobile repair technicians, engineers, and advanced users find and use the UFS ISP Pinout shown in the provided image. Correct use of ISP pinouts is important for backup and restore data, repair IMEI, diagnose hardware issues, flashing, MDM Lock Remove, and removing FRP locks. What is Xiaomi Redmi A4 ISP Pinout? Xiaomi Redmi A4 ISP, in-system programming, Pinout is the ability to directly interface a device's eMMC or UFS storage to a professional tool for hardware-related processes. This is ideal, especially if the phone is not recognized in any other mode, or the device is dead, but the storage chip is still healthy. UFS ISP Pinout is useful when phone is dead, black screen, no boot, no charging. FRP is locked, and you can't use ADB, fast boot, or OTG bypass. You need to dump firmware from a working unit to repair a dead one. You're working on a boot repair or partition restore. Phone is detected as unknown in PC, EDL not working. Xiaomi Redmi A4 ISP Pinout eMMC Waze image. Discover more. Mobile. Phone. Mobile. Here's where things get technical. The Samsung Galaxy A17 SM, A175F shares a hardware layout with several models, but the actual pin locations can vary slightly. You'll find the ISP points near the UFS chip under the metal shield. UFS ISP pin labels you need. CLK, SOP, SON, RXOP, ROXON, G&D, ground. Tip: use a microscope or a 10x magnifier to identify the points correctly. Don't rely solely on diagrams. Confirm the layout visually. Tip: use a microscope or a 10x magnifier to identify the points correctly. Don't rely on diagrams alone. Confirm the layout visually. When repairing dead boot problems, especially for devices like the Redmi A4, the Easy JTAG Plus and UFI box dongles are great for mobile repair. They are important for scenarios where the phone has been incorrectly flashed and does not display the startup logo and is no longer responding to power. Required tools for ISP Pinout. Make sure your bench is set up with the right tools before jumping in. UFI box, Easy JTAG, or Medusa Pro. 0.1 mm, 0.3 mm jumper wire. Fine tip soldering iron. Isopropyl cleaner, IPA 99%. Soldering flux. Multimeter for checking continuity. How to connect ISP to the eMMC box. Remove the battery from the phone. Extremely important to prevent voltage conflicts. Clean the PC board area using isopropyl alcohol. Connect jumper wires to CLK, TXON, TXOP, G&D, and RXON, RXOP with care using solder. Connect the wires to your UFS, eMMC tool, following the tool's pinout. Double-check each wire using a multimeter to ensure there are no shorts. Connect to UFI or Easy JTAG. In the UFI or Easy JTAG software, select Identify UFS eMMC. Now use the operation you want. User partition, special task, reset FRP. If you have the right connection, you will see the UFS chip information in the tool window.